Happy Thirsty Thursday, April 22nd. Thank you for joining me, Timmy O'Neill, on Embrace Life. We're going to talk Dogecoin, guys. Unreal. Just, there's so much to talk about. It's not even funny, guys. Bitcoin could finally be reaching a point where it's just not gaining the gusto. It's showing in the red, if you will. And man, oh man, is it affecting everything else? Ethereum blanketing 2,600. I'm not sure if it's still over 2,600, but it's peaked over it a couple times. Um, Ethereum's finally got legs. All right, guys. Bitcoin hasn't been really moving. Ethereum is holding its own. It's already bounced back. Um, so yeah, let's talk about Dogecoin, the doggy coin, the I become fat. I don't know if you guys have seen the memes with the with the actual dog, but it started as a joke, so I started with a joke and double entendre. Thank you guys for joining me here. I absolutely appreciate all the support. Being that we're now past 4,000 subscribers, I absolutely love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I love the shout outs on Facebook and the reach outs at on my Twitter handle. If you need anything from the channel, reach out to me at Embrace Life Tim on Twitter. NFTs, shirts, hoodies, all still available, all different sizes except for extra double XL large pink with a zipper. People have asked for it specifically, a couple, not just one. Any rate, I digress, guys. Dogecoin started off at 4 cents at the beginning of the year, and has run all the way up to, depending on which exchange you're viewing it on, 42 cents, 45 cents. And yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's already a guy that posted, "Hey, by the way, I've put my savings into Dogecoin when it was 4 cents, including my stimulus checks, and now I'm a millionaire." So, guys, it's I mean, not for nothing. Everything is a risk, but when you invest money, risk only what you're able to afford losing. It's important that you know that you can replace the word investment with gamble. This guy took his entire savings account as well as his stimulus checks and put it in crypto. Sounds familiar. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this crazy guy that decided to do the same thing and is now a millionaire. Um, just put it in the comments. I want to hear and I want to see Dogecoin holler outs or holler towards Dogecoin, guys, because I'm begging you to give Doge a chance. Get it? Begging? Doge, doggy. All right. Didn't really work on Facebook either. Nobody really laughed. A couple people posted photos, though. That was pretty hilarious and awesome. Thank you for sharing that. Yeah, so it looks like Dogecoin, which is now teetering around 29 cents to 30 cents ish, which is the support level that I've been watching. Yeah, it is what it is. I'll let Nadia let you know about me real quick.
Hello, my name is Nadia, and you might be wondering, what am I doing here on Embrace Line? It's to tell you that Tim O'Neill is not a financial advisor, and this is just an expression of his opinion based on his experience. And your experience might be totally different. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only, and investment of any kind involves high risk. While risk can be minimized, your investments is totally under your responsibilities. You should do the research, and there are no guarantee of profit or loss of any investment. Hopefully this helps you to understand that you should look on this information only as inspiration. Thanks to all of you and welcome to the channel. And now, back to the video.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Nadia. If you want to reach out to her at Lady Wikipedia, thank you so much for that plug for my disclaimer. Guys, I am not a CPA. This is recreational investment. But if you have just the slightest notion of getting into cryptocurrency, now is the time. Buy some Dogecoin. This is not investment advice. This is what I'm doing. And I wouldn't tell you to do something that I wouldn't do myself. So that being said, I feel like a lot of people jumped into Coinbase stock and didn't see the movement. They jumped early, and I apologize for that. I did the same thing. Um, I got excited. I knew Coinbase was going to be rocking, and when Bitcoin starts to hit its stride again, I'm sure Coinbase is going to start to rally. Stock market there's a lot of moving parts there that are affecting everything. I mean, it's not just use of case of use. Scratch that, reverse it. It's also the fundamentals, guys. Dogecoin has I've seen articles saying Dogecoin's the cabbage patch, the new cabbage patch, which, hey, it could be, if you look at it as value. Yeah, it started off as a joke and it now has a bit of value. You can buy Mavericks tickets with Dogecoin. Newegg, you can now make transactions with Newegg with Dogecoin. With all the news going on, let's just rally here some shout out prices. I feel like Bitcoin is going to teeter a little bit and kind of stay level. We kind of want that if you're in the altcoin, if you're in the mindset of getting altcoins. This is a super cycle that nobody's nobody could have predicted, and I've seen people say that Bitcoin did this exactly 3 years ago, but you know what? This is a different time. 5% of what is it? 5% of the population are now investing in crypto, so we're just scraping the surface. So if you're getting into cryptocurrency, which I definitely suggest you should do, it's stock market's really not helping. Treasury bonds aren't really going anywhere. Silver and gold are kind of down. They're not really that far up. I know I was with promoting Birch Gold Group and their packages, which are fantastic. Just people are leery. And I get it. Let's just face it. Cryptocurrency is an experiment, but you can't tell me there's no value there. If people value something, they put a dollar amount to it, and it will allow you to make trade with it. Once you are capable of trading with it, as in currency, NFTs, all sorts of aspects, there's your value. Whether it's limited and rare, like gold, which could be your Bitcoin, or the use cases are there, like Deutsche Telekom just invested in cryptocurrency as well. Cello, I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, but it's the mobile cryptocurrency that affects your mobile transactions. But yeah, any rate, let me know what you guys think of all these altcoins. Which ones do you think are going to be good? VeChain, Chainlink, Band Protocol. I've seen Kyber getting pushed. I like a lot. I think if you're going to balance yourself with the Ethereum hitting the 2600 and possibly going higher to 3100, it's a very good possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm not going to say it's not going to happen. But I've seen people saying that we could reach 5,000 very quickly with Ethereum. Very quickly, it's all kind of suspect to how you perceive it yourself. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks with Webull just for joining Webull, and you get 2 more free stocks when you invest $100, worth anywhere up to $1,600. Also, don't forget to check out Coinbase and or Anchor. I'll put both links below. Coinbase offers free Bitcoin, has those tutorials for all those cryptocurrencies, will teach you about these cryptocurrencies, which I think is invaluable because if you don't know anything about this, dipping your toes in on a risky business, you could end up, I've heard some insane horror stories. The Burex, people that were getting into Burex and then they got rug pulled. I know I personally got a phone call back, or actually a recorded message back from Mike Klingler, who I had reached out to when Burex first came out. Unfortunately, we didn't cross paths, but maybe that was fortunate for me. A lot of people got burned on that, and that's why I stick to the safe exchanges. I'm in New York State. We're limited to what we can use. You can use Anchor, you can use Robinhood, you can use Webull, you can use Coinbase. Um, there's options out there, and people want to get involved. You should be able to do that. If you'd like to know more and join our crypto workshop, reach out to me at Embrace Life Tim on my Twitter. That's my Twitter handle. Or you can reach out to me on Facebook. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Let me know in the comments below predictions on where you think Ethereum is going to be by September. Do you think September is going to be the tops and the end of the line for this super cycle, and for Ethereum and Bitcoin until next year? Do you think that it's safe or a good idea to invest your stimulus checks? Guys, I'd love to hear your input. We talk about stimulus on this channel all the time. I love and appreciate all of you guys. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. If you think I'm talking too fast right now, it's just because I realize your time is important just like mine. I love and appreciate all of you. Enjoy the weather if it's good where you are. I'd love to hear about good weather. We got last 2 days of snow, and it just goes without saying. At this point, Rochester, New York is a very fickle girl, if you will. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for chiming in with my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. You'll enter to win my next giveaway of $2,000 once we reach 10,000 subscribers. I think that was a good change. It was a kind of a negotiation with my sponsors and affiliates because sometimes I was going really fast, sometimes it was going really slow. It seemed like not a lot of people were involved in the $1,000 per person for 2 people instead of the 2,000. And it looked like a lot of people were more interested in that. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I, raise the ante and raise the subscriber number, or I'd love to hear some feedback from you guys on anything you think I need to add to this channel to help improve your point of view and how we can know more about this. Guys, I love Dogecoin. I love Cardano. I love Ethereum. Right now I'm kind of moving things out of the altcoins and or strong points of where I was holding, just so that I have money that I know that is moving, and I'm able to maneuver it into the right areas. Right now, I'm laddering in and laddering out. I'm trying to go to near the top, get out before it starts falling, and then buy back in at the bottom. I know another person who has a different cryptocurrency strategy where he's margining his buys and also yielding, which you can do on Anchor. I'll put that in the link below as well. I love and appreciate all of you guys. As always, it's a pleasure. Happy Thirsty Thursday. Maybe you got a good happy hour coming up. I might go get some discounted wings. I know they have a special at Daffy's out in Caledonia. I might do that. My birthday's coming up. A little reward early. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll be talking soon.